evening, ladies and gentlemen, bleachers and skin toners. Welcome to tonight's edition of the Backsfoot Woy News, where our stories make you say, I want a Backsfoot this. I'm Dutty Berry, and here's our main story. Vybz Kartel, the world boss, may have to resort to being called a local employee after he and 3 co-accused were found guilty. Earlier, I went downtown to see exactly what was going on, but I had to take away myself because I was just too hot to stand up in one spot. It was burning there. Joining me now via my good laptop is a DJ Palmer's lawyer. Hello, are you Hardea? Can you escuchar me? So Tom, do tell, how is your team feeling after news of this verdict?
This is a travesty. We are very disappointed by the ruling brought down today. We really believe the evidence is in favor of our clients, Mr. Palmer. We will definitely be appealing the decision made today. Free the world boss. Sunfest will not be missing you this year.
Free world boss. That was Tom sharing his thoughts on the Kartel guilty verdict. Joining us now live in studio is Bobisha Goodas, and she is popularly known as the lady holding that placard downtown. Bobisha.
Free world boss, me will pay fame. Me will pay fame with my good nice clean acrylic nails money. Lord. No son, if a free world boss, who I gonna tell me if a good or no and come up back? Who I gonna tell me say my body good from morning and it gonna stay so forever? All them something there. I'm 6 pitting it down, I got no how to bleach for a budget. You tell me now, Kartel can't manage a cake soap drop in their prison. Worse like I'm start get fluffy and thick up and all them something there. The man never got in there a premium. Kartel can't do it, that free world boss, this not right. Him not deserve it. Him not deserve it. Them must fight against ghetto youth. That's what them do it all the time. Them do him, them do Buju, them do what the other one name with the little supermarket girl, Jackiora, something to the whole away.
Thank you, Miss Goodas, for that lovely interview. What the hell was that? Now we're going to move on over to Mas Eric from Hanover as he shares his thoughts on the matter.
Lady, I can't cough in the background me about we go and talk, you know. Here one. If you do the time, no, sorry go. If you do the crime, then you definitely have to do the time. He's a good artist, and me and my third wife, Lana. That was a song where we did meet pan when we did the way party run a something here, Weddy. We played the song around a Weddy, and this is what me hear this song say. Hey girl, you me want to fulfill my dream, so come wind up on me. And that was the song when me and our bump and grind pan. And we did it from them time there 2 or 3 years ago till now.
That's it. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Clearly you do not have cable at your yard, or else you'd be watching something else. Don't forget to join us tomorrow, same time, same place, for another Backsfoot Woy News. So all I'm for day, I turn up and pretend like me I read off of the paper, yeah. Oh, it's still around?
This is a travesty.
If you ready to film, yeah. Alright, come babe. You're gonna be in the background.
Right. Oh God, I'll make it tonight.